You can't even distinguish your consciousness from anyone else's, because literally there's only one consciousness. Now, how am I going to practice healthy boundaries within a consciousness that is one? There are no boundaries in consciousness. Now, this is of course confusing for a human being, and it's confusing for you when you come to this, like, oh, I don't even know where to look for it now anymore. I have learned to keep healthy boundaries and all this, but now in fact I'm being asked to step over that and recognize that I'm not a body, but I'm consciousness, and that consciousness is one. You cannot see the end of your consciousness. And a simple exercise would be to close your eyes and try to look for it. It's like, where does it stop? Where is the end of my consciousness? Or where does someone else's consciousness begin? You couldn't tell.